The skeletal muscle growth anatomy is how the muscles have different types of layers and what the different types of layers do. The first layer is the epimysium. This is the connective tissue which wraps around the whole outer of the muscle. Inside the epimysium is the perimysium. This is the connective tissue that surrounds a bundle of muscle fibers, which are called a fascicle. Inside the perimysium is the endomysium. The endomysium is made up of connective tissues which wrap around each individual muscle fiber. Inside the endomysium are the muscle fibers. These are made up of myofibers. Myofibers, which are then in the muscle fibers, are made up of myofibril. The myofibril, which are inside the myofibers, are striated, which means that they are made up of two types of myofilament, actin and myosin.